to my channel. Today on my channel I will be teaching you how to prepare Uziza pepper soup. Come with me guys and I'll show you the ingredients I will be using today. Right here I have got crayfish ready. Here I have got my seasoning cube ready. Here I have got Utazi leaf ready. This is a local leaf used for pepper soup. Here I've got my salt ready. Here I've got Uziza seed ready. Here I've got Uda ready and also Ewoi ready. This is a local spice. You can never go wrong if you use this. It is perfect, especially for those who are ill. It is very good and medicinal. Here I've got my Scotch bonnet ready. I've also got my catfish ready. It's washed and clean and is ready to go into the pot. Guys, come with me, let's start cooking. First, I'm going to break the Ewoi and take out the seed inside the Ewoi. Now I'm going to blend it together with my peppers and my crayfish. As you can see, my pepper and crayfish is already in the blender. Now I'm going to add my local spices. In goes my local spices and add a little bit of water. Afterwards, blend. After blending, I'm going to set it aside and then add a little bit of onion into the fish in the pot. Now it's time to add the blended peppers. In goes my peppers. Next, I'm going to add boiled water. In goes boiled water. And then allow to simmer for at least 5 minutes before adding my seasoning. It has simmered for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my seasoning cube. In goes my seasoning cube. In goes a little bit of salt and stir. Afterwards, I'm now going to add my Utazi leaf. Like I said earlier, this is medicinal. If you've not been eating for a while because you're ill, make this soup and have it with boiled rice or boiled yam. You can also have it with plantain or toast bread. Trust me, it will go down well and you're sure gonna enjoy it when you try this. Look at that. It is coming out nicely, yummy looking and inviting. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 12 minutes and it will be ready to serve. It has cooked for 12 minutes now and it's ready to serve. Look at that. Pepper soup have been served. It is yummy. It is delicious. Trust me, you can even have your pepper soup without yam, plantain or bread and you will surely enjoy it. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe, and also do not forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video you will be notified. I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.